Let's begin our Q&A. Let's start with Alan Sancon. Alan, where are you? Go ahead.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Congratulations to your new series in Taiwan. Yung first question na before Alexa, I just want to ask si Cyril. Yan. Kumbaga, alam namin tulad ng introduction sa'yo ni MJ kanina, palaban kang tao, di ba? Lalo na sa social media. Gaano ka behave or misbehave dito sa series natin? Paano ka nakarelate sa character mo?
Dahil nga si Nix ay Miss Ma'am or may pagkabakla siya dito. So I think dun kami may onting similarities kasi may mga araw naman na nagigising ako na parang gusto ko naman maging pang babae. Pero siguro mas similarities namin ni Nix. Matapang sila sa pareho sila design na pag may gusto silang panindigan, papanindigan nila. So hindi sila basta-basta nape-peer pressure. So kung yun yung stand niya, kahit mag-cut siya ng tao, okay lang. Basta papanindigan niya na hindi siya ganun or ganun siyang klase ng tao. So pareho sila ni Cyrus sa ganun ba?
Okay, thank you, Sai.
Thank you po.
Si naman Alexa, tanong ko lang, parang before this media ko, napanood namin yung interview mo sa TV Patrol about isa to sa mga mga medyo mature roles because you have your kissing scene with JC De Vera, di ba? Ay, JC Alcantara, sorry. Yeah. So, siguro kay JC saka kay Alexa. Kumbaga, how was it? Kumbaga, kailangan nyo ba mag-usap na dalawa? How do you prepare for that scene? Gaano ka-intimate yung inyong kissing scene dito, di ba?
And ako po, honestly, it was my first ever kissing scene po talaga. So admittedly, I was just very, very nervous. I was very scared. Being completely honest, I'm sure it was great, but I was so numb. I was not there. Yung kaluluwa ko wasn't really in the moment because I was just kinakabahan talaga. But I'm also very lucky because si Direk, talagang kinausap niya kami. He would remind us, he would tell us about the shots, kailan lang namin need gawin. Sobrang maalaga talaga si Direk. Everything had consent, everything was, we talked about each and every step, everything was consensual, yes. And I'm also very lucky kasi my first kissing scene was with such a great guy, which is si JC, na very, maalaga siya. I think,
nagre-react sa likod.
so sabi ko nga, okay, this is parang ito yung will ni Lord. Umabot na ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ito talaga yung first. Bibigay ko talaga lahat-lahat dito sa misbehave. So gawin na natin to. Kaya perfect din na si JC kasi he was such a very gentle partner, very hands-on din siya, very maalaga. So, I think it went well naman. But again, I was so out of it. I'm sure it was good. Again, I was so out of it. Ikaw sumagot. Parang dapat siya yung sumagot.
Iyan na nga, siguro follow up lang kay JC. JC, kumbaga, hindi lang siguro si Alexa yung lucky, kasi you're lucky, kasi ikaw yung first kissing scene niya sa on-screen, di ba? So, how was it? Sabi niya nga, it was good. Ikaw naman, how do you describe the kissing scene with Alexa?
Si Alexa kasi, first scene ko, kissing scene agad.
Like taping?
Yes, taping ko agad nun. First day ko taping, yes. Kasi before ko, ako talaga si Warren dito. Share ko lang din po. Okay lang po ba?
Ayun, sabi mo na eh.
Sabi ko naman, ako si Warren dito. Nag-prepare ako for Warren for almost 2 months. And then after nun, kinabukasan, JC, ikaw na si Cole. Wait, ano ba ito? And then after nun, taping ko na agad. So kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko alam gagawin, hindi ako nakapag-prepare sa role na yun. Pero buti na lang, denied ako ng direct. And also, si Misbehave. Si Alexa, sobrang dream come true kasi sa akin makatrabaho si Alexa. Pangarap ko talaga makatrabaho siya before pa lang. Sinasabi ko na kay direct. Promise. Legit. Yes. And then yun, first kissing scene namin, ready ako, sobrang ready ko. Tapos si Alexa, kinakabahan, sabi ko, okay lang yan, don't worry. Gagabayan kita.
Wow!
Ako bahala sa... Ganitong gagawin natin, dahan-dahanin ko lang ako. Ako na bahala. And then after ng taping na, okay, go, kiss. Pag kiss niya ganun, oh my God, mas... Ang lala, like, hindi first time. Hindi, I mean, sobrang... In a good way. In a good way. Sobrang professionally.
No, kasi yung mga ganung eksena, you want it done on the first date.
Yes.
Para wala na ang ulit-ulit, di ba? Unless
Wala na.
Di ba?
So-
So, kasi sabi mo kasi first kissing scene.
First kissing.
So may second kissing scene?
Meron po.
Okay.
Pero sobrang
Ikaw, may
professional.
ganun.
Nagustuhan mo yung pagka-strong niya ni Alexa. Nakita ko kung paano siya kapalaban. Nagusto niyang gawin para dun sa role na yun. Nagusto niya panindigan, hindi. Kailangan kong gawin pa para kay Marla. And sobrang committed niya sa role niya. Kaya sobrang wow.
It just really shows you professionalism
Professional.
ni Alexa. Di ba? Direct, you wanna add? May mga binanggit kasi si JC na una daw.
Welcome po sa ScriptCon na mismo.
Storycon. Storycon pa lang po to. Direct. Siya daw originally was what?
Yes, he was originally first Warren. Someone was
Someone, not part of this.
Yes, someone was supposed to
Ooh.
play Cole, but I think the schedule didn't align.
Okay.
And ako naniniwala naman ako na kung sino talaga ang para doon, siya talaga. And I think nag-align talaga yung stars kasi I couldn't have asked a better Cole. And nung pumasok si Aki, he was supposed to play Warren from the get-go. January pa or February, I was trying to get in touch na
Si Akira.
with Akira.
Okay.
Because the
So dalawa silang mag-warren dapat.
And then, may iba pang role
Okay.
dapat si
Siyempre, naguluhan na ako.
Basta in terms of casting,
Okay.
pero like, nung si Aki hindi pumwede because he was doing, I think, promo for BGYO, na-delay din kami. Yung shoot. So tama-tama na nung na-delay, he was already available and at that time, nalipat na si JC as Cole. Tama-tama bumakante yung Warren and free siya to do it. So parang ako, it's really meant to be. Like, lahat ng na-cast dito is meant to be here.
Part of this.
Yes.
That's right. Thank you, Alan.
May follow-up lang ako kay Alexa.
Uy, dami ng follow-up.
Hindi, kasi kumbaga talagang init-init siya dun sa sinabi ni JC, di ba? Parang ano lang yung reaction mo na palaban ka daw dun sa scene na yun.
Naman po, correct naman. Parang, one thing about me, I think people can tell naman na palaban naman po talaga ako. At bukod sa palaban, ang word of my life ngayon ay matapang din ako. So, yun din yung, that's what I had to channel for Miss Big. Yung kailangan ko siyang tapangan. Kung gagawin ko to, it's all in or nothing at all. So, yun.
Thank you.
Thank
Tapos
you po.
may headline na kami palaban sa
Thank you, Alan. Let's call it Zine Media.